Hello guys, do you know how to say sore throat, blow nose, have fever, have coughing in Chinese? 擤鼻涕，擤鼻涕。Ew, 咳嗽，咳嗽。喉咙痛，喉咙痛。发烧，发烧。太难受了，希望大家不要生病。See you next time，拜拜。